Hi, this video is for people looking to become members of PACES Connection. Membership to PACES Connection is free and open to the public. To join, travel to our homepage and click the Join button in the blue navigation bar at the top of the screen. This will bring you to our registration page. From here, fill out your email address, which will be your username and your password. Then we need you to add your first and last name, your date of birth, and where you're located. We do require that everyone adds their first and last name as well as their date of birth, just so that we know that you are an individual over the age of 18. And then we'd like to know where you're located in the world. The profile picture or avatar field is optional but is encouraged. And then next, you'll see the registration information and questions. We do also require all of these. This is so we learn a little bit about who you are and why you're interested in PACES science. Lastly is our terms of service, which I encourage you to read. And then finally, the registration button. Once you click register now, a staff member at PACES Connection will read and review your PACES Connection application. We do read the accounts of everyone who applies to be a member of PACES Connection, but as I said, membership is free and open to the public, so this is just how we make sure that you're not a robot. Then you'll receive a welcome email to PACES Connection after we approve your membership and instructions on how to optimize your PACES Connection account and notifications so that you get everything you can out of your membership. If you have any questions about this, please feel free to comment on the video or on the post or send us an email to PACES Connection. Thank you.